Alright, so the next thing I'm going to work on now is I'm just going to give this a bit of a sand over. That's where I took the brake booster filler off, so that's just sitting there resting for the moment. What I need to do is just give this a bit of a sand down and just get ready for that, because I want to re-primer it. There's a bit of paint coming off in the corner. I want to make sure the body number is intact. And also over here on the radiator shield there's more numbers too. So we need to get that ready for priming. So that's what I'll work on now. Alright, the next thing I want to do is just touch up on any, let me just get this camera right. So any bits like this, even though this gets covered with some black vinyl, I still want to just fix up a few bits here, because you're probably not even going to see it sticking through or anything. I'm going to fix up those bits, because the plan tomorrow is to get all of this section here inside here primed. We'll see how we go. We may even be able to get some of the colour coat on, but we'll see how we go. The interior, pretty much all of the interior gets covered with trim, except these the side pillars up here. Some of this part around the roof will be exposed. This part will, and pretty much all the way around, I think. The pillars here where the seat belt's attached to, and this part along here below the window. The stuff on the parcel shelf you don't really see. It gets covered by trim, but we'll see how we go for time, and then we may get all that painted. The upper part, of course, that you do see are these seat pockets. This edge here you will see, and underneath the seat too. So that all needs to be fixed up. Some bits here just need to be sanded down, maybe a bit of primer on it, and then colour coat. So that's the plan for this weekend. In the engine bay, this is all sort of just sorted out now, so that's ready to be primed now. And of course I need to just prep and cover up the chassis frame. Alright, let's get to it. Bit of a walk around before we begin. We're going to put a coat of 2K primer on top of that edge primer. Over in the engine bay, we're going to add the 2K primer as well, just to go over that. So that's all ready to go. Just need to mix up the paint and get started. So I'm going to use Concept Paints 2K primer. That's going to be mixed in a ratio of 4:1, 4 parts paint to 1 part hardener. That's a fast hardener I got for that. Okay, alright, let's get started.